The soft rustle of grasses whispered in the dawn as the eggs began to crackle open. Among the smooth, identical shells, one stood out, larger, speckled, and seemingly out of place. The mother duck watched with tenderness as her brood emerged, but her gaze lingered on the peculiar egg, curiosity mingling with anticipation. As the eggshell fell away, a duckling unlike the others emerged. Its feathers were a dull gray, not the soft yellow of its siblings. The mother duck peered closely, her heart full of love despite its unusual appearance.
Welcome, little one.
She quacked softly, nudging the duckling forward. The pond was alive with the chatter of ducklings splashing and playing. However, the grey duckling stood apart, its heart heavy with the knowledge of its difference. The sibling ducklings giggled, their voices filled with innocent cruelty.
Why do you look so strange? Baking.
They quacked mockingly. The mother duck watched, concern etched on her face, knowing she could not shield her child from the world's harshness. Feeling the weight of rejection, the ugly duckling waddled away from the familiar warmth of the pond. The world beyond was vast and lonely, but it moved forward, driven by a longing to find a place where it truly belonged. The cool breeze rustled its feathers as it ventured into the unknown. Winter's chill swept across the land, and the duckling faced hardships that tested its spirit. Hunger gnawed at its belly as it searched for food beneath the snow. Nights were long and bitterly cold, yet in its heart, hope flickered like a stubborn flame, guiding it through the darkest hours. One day, as the sun dipped toward the horizon, the duckling's weary eyes caught sight of a flock of swans gliding through the sky. Their beauty was breathtaking, each movement a dance of elegance. The duckling's heart soared with awe, a newfound yearning taking root within. Drawn to the water's edge, the duckling gazed into its depths, and there it saw a reflection it barely recognized. Where once an awkward figure had stood, a magnificent swan now gazed back. Its wings unfolded like a tapestry of pure white, the transformation complete, filling it with wonder. With a heart full of newfound confidence, the swan spread its wings and took flight. It soared through the azure sky toward the swans, joining them with a grace that felt natural and true. The freedom of the air beneath its wings was exhilarating, a feeling it had longed for all its life. The swans encircled their new companion, their gentle honks a warm welcome. It was a moment of pure acceptance, a beautiful symphony of belonging. The swan felt a joy that transcended words as it realized it had finally found its true family. As the sun set in a blaze of colors, the swans glided together across the mirrored lake. In this place of beauty and acceptance, the swan knew it was home, its heart at peace. Together, they swam into the horizon, a happy ever after painted in the sky's embrace.